Hey, this is Jay, and I'm testing a new version of Corona Project Manager. And let's go into this folder right here. You can see there's an MP3 file. And here's what's new. I can right-click on this folder in the asset, pick Properties. And right here, there's Auto Add Assets, a little checkbox. And here is a list of assets that I want added. And what you do is you just put in the suffix of the file that you are wanting to add. And the reason that I make you go through this extra step is because I like to have lots of things thrown into one directory. So I might have the scratch files for my final audio file all in the same place. In this way, I can skip the Audacity files or whatever and just pick the MP3 files. And if I want to add another one, I can add another suffix here. Click OK, and let's drill back down into here. And this is the folder on the hard drive. And so I'm going to just go ahead and throw a new WAV file into there. And you can see right up here it just appeared in the asset list because I said we wanted WAV files. And so we could try another file. Let's go ahead and put this file in here. And it doesn't show up, and that's the way it should be, because I didn't say to look for XML files. As shown here, I said look for just WAV files and MP3 files. So it's a way that you can auto add assets to folders in Corona Project Manager, but you don't have to have every asset or every file that's in the directory show up in the asset list. For example, if you wanted to do images, I don't know if I have an image folder here in this one. Okay, I've got one here, but it's not active at this point. But you could have images, and you could specify only PNG files or JPEG files. That way, if you throw your original Photoshop file in there with all of the layers and things like that, it won't actually be added to the project, and so you don't have to worry about including it by accident when you do a compile. Anyway, it's a new cool feature of Corona Project Manager, and it should be available in the very next release.